When it comes to professional projectors, there's a significant difference between consumer-grade devices and high-performance machines built for demanding environments. The NEC Display NP-PA1004UL-B is one of those rare projectors that immediately communicates seriousness, capability, and reliability. This isn't a casual home theater projector, it's designed for auditoriums, corporate boardrooms, museums, and any setting where both brightness and precision are crucial. From the moment it's powered on, the NEC NP-PA1004UL-B establishes itself as a professional powerhouse. Its design is simple, understated, and functional, featuring a sleek black chassis that blends seamlessly into ceilings, rear mounts, or front projection setups. There are no flashy elements, no unnecessary curves, just a sturdy, thoughtfully designed structure that signals longevity and durability. The build quality is evident, giving confidence that this projector is ready for heavy, long-term use. Performance is where this projector truly shines. With 10,000 lumens of brightness, it can fill even the largest and brightest rooms with a vivid, clear image. To put that in perspective, standard home theater projectors usually hover around 2,000 to 3,000 lumens, which is sufficient for darkened environments but falls short in ambient light. The NP-PA1004UL-B, however, handles environments with moderate to high ambient light with ease, making it an ideal choice for venues where controlling lighting is difficult or impossible. Resolution and image clarity are also standout features. This projector offers WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, providing a wide 16:10 aspect ratio that accommodates both presentations and cinematic content. It also supports 2160p input, making it compatible with 4K workflows. This flexibility ensures that images remain crisp, sharp, and detailed regardless of the source device, whether it's a high-end computer, a Blu-ray player, or a streaming platform. Contrast ratio is another area where this projector excels. The 3,000,000:1 contrast ratio enables deep blacks, bright whites, and a wide dynamic range that preserves detail across bright and dark areas. This means even subtle shadows or high-contrast content maintains its integrity without washing out or losing depth. Whether displaying text-heavy slides, intricate graphics, or high-definition video, every detail comes through with remarkable clarity. Longevity is critical in professional installations, and the 20,000-hour laser light engine ensures extended operation without the need for regular bulb replacements. Traditional projectors often require lamp changes after a few thousand hours, resulting in maintenance costs and downtime. With the NP-PA1004UL-B, these concerns are significantly reduced, making it perfect for continuous use in educational institutions, corporate settings, or exhibition spaces. Connectivity is another strong suit. The projector offers HDMI, USB, and multiple professional-grade input options, allowing seamless integration with a wide variety of devices. Whether connecting laptops, AV systems, or media players, setup is straightforward. The intelligently placed ports make installation and maintenance easier, which is essential in professional environments where uptime is critical. In addition to these features, the NEC NP-PA1004UL-B is 3D ready, providing versatility for environments where three-dimensional visualization is required. This capability may not be necessary for all users, but it's invaluable for specialized applications like simulation training, architectural design reviews, or interactive educational programs. The inclusion of 3D support demonstrates NEC's attention to a wide range of professional use cases. While the projector is not portable, its design ensures it excels in permanent installations. Its size and weight reflect the level of power it delivers. Once installed, it becomes a reliable fixture, consistently producing high-quality visuals without the need for constant adjustment. Features such as lens shift, zoom, and keystone correction allow precise alignment and calibration, ensuring the image perfectly fits the projection surface regardless of installation configuration. Who is this projector for? Primarily, the NP-PA1004UL-B is aimed at professional users who demand the highest performance. It is ideal for corporate environments, educational institutions, large-scale exhibitions, museums, and high-end home theater enthusiasts who value brightness,